Am I wrong for throwing away my husband's dinner after he went to eat at his mom's house? My mother-in-law calls every night to ask what we're having for dinner. Then she brags about what she's cooking to make me look bad, especially if we're getting takeout. I used to care, but not anymore. My husband would ask me to make dinner only for him to go to his mom's house, which is only 10 minutes away, and eat her food. He always tries to use the excuse that she's making my favorite meal. Yesterday, I wanted to surprise him by cooking one of his favorite meals, and although I was busy, I took time off work to cook. I even went grocery shopping to get what I needed. Later, as I was setting the table, his mom called. I told him that he didn't have to answer, but he did. Like usual, she asked what we were having, but acted surprised that I cooked this meal. She then went on to tell him that she cooked some sort of meal and told him to come over. He said okay, which shocked me. I said, seriously? As he started dressing up, getting ready to leave, he told me, no offense, but this meal that his mom had cooked was even more. Am I wrong for refusing to see other options for a girl and pressing charges for what she had done to my son's car? My 39 male, son 17 male, Bryce dated our neighbor Lana 17 female for a year. They broke up mid-January for reasons I don't know. I won't sugarcoat this, I never liked Lana. She always seems a little unhinged, controlling and aggressive. She's always demanding Bryce's attention, and there was quite a few times when she showed up to our house out of nowhere. Whether it was 7 a.m. or 11 p.m. because Bryce wasn't answering his phone, screaming and calling him a cheater when it wasn't like that. The thought of our son getting abused by his girlfriend made us worry so much. My wife and I tried to talk him out of that relationship. We said how it wasn't normal nor healthy. We didn't want to force the breakup because we feared Lana would lash out on him, so we tried to do it in a sneaky way. We don't know if it worked, but they ended up breaking up. He said that after he broke up with Lana, she didn't contact him, which was weird because she expected her to go nuts, but I told him that if fate didn't give him shit, he better not tease it. Now, the problem is that we bought my son a car for Christmas. Nothing fancy, just enough to get him. Am I wrong for claiming that my sister-in-law is dressing inappropriately? My sister-in-law is my younger brother's fiance and soon-to-be wife. Both her and my brother are 26. I met her when she was 18 and she first started dating my brother, and we've had a pretty good relationship. Since then, she's been wearing a lot of revealing outfits. At first, I wouldn't comment on it, but as my brother's relationship with her got serious, my parents and I believed we should tell my brother to tell her to dress more appropriately. I didn't know you were marrying her. I thought your brother was, so if he's okay with that, you should be too. Whenever we'd bring it up to my brother, he'd get mad and told us to mind our business. Once they got engaged, we believed that finally she'd be more serious and look out for her image, as she's supposed to be a wife soon enough and later a mother. What? You can... Oh my god. We were wrong. She didn't only not start dressing more appropriately, but she got worse. Whenever we'd bring it up to my brother, he'd tell us that we can't police what she wears, and he just couldn't understand how it's disrespectful of her. To be honest, she didn't dress in revealing outfits in family gatherings like Christmas or Thanksgiving, but she wears those outfits on her birthday or my brother's birthday whenever they hang out alone or with friends. What? Again? Why do you care? Why do you care? Like, you're reaching, yo. My brother's birthday was last week and we were invited to his party. Before that, my parents and I agreed